Their spirit soars amidst the trees, a person rooted as soulsies, linked to the earth, yet reaching high, their love for trees, a boundless sky. Rooted in person, they gently sway, divine purpose, here to stay. In every leaf, a story told, in every branch, a truth to hold. They stand as guardians, strong and true, Gaia's love for trees in all they do. In unity, their spirits entwine, they person trees in a sacred design. Their purpose clear, their path is set, in unity with trees, destiny is met. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share my channel. Namaste.